welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I am filming a Zara haul. I'm currently in our temporary, what will be our bedroom when we're renovating upstairs. And if you have been following along on my moving journey, then you will know that this was what was one of the front rooms, one of the lounge living rooms. So it's currently a bit of a setup that I've got going on here to film this video for you today. But I am sharing lots of homeware updates over on my Instagram account, freyafarrington home, if you wanted to follow along on that journey. But we're not really talking about house-related content today. We are talking fashion. I put in a big order from Zara and Zara Home. Seems though we do have some new viewers as a result of my homeware moving content. I'll start with showing you the Zara Home bits first. But before I do jump into the haul, I did just want to firstly thank Anna Luisa for very kindly sponsoring today's video. Anna Luisa is a really great jewellery brand that I have worked with a couple of times in the past. I am such a lover of their jewellery, their brand ethos. They are sustainable. I do have some new items that I wanted to share with you, and I'll actually put them on as well so you can see what they look like on. So the little packaging that it comes in, smaller packaging, less waste, more love. They are promoting for Black Friday sales. Obviously it's getting to that time where it's probably one of the busiest times that we shop, especially for Christmas presents. Jewellery is a great idea for Christmas gifts. Now, I don't have a personal discount code, but I do have a personal link that you can shop via in my description box. So if you shop through via that link, you will be able to see all of the sales and discounts and offers that they're going to be running on their website. So I've got 3 little black Anna Luisa pouches. I've been after a new good quality ring for my middle finger. So I ordered this one in a size 8, and it's a beautiful kind of rope design. I'll come in a bit closer so you can see a close-up of what it looks like. I do quite like to layer up rings, layer up jewelry as well, so I will definitely be styling it up layered as well. Speaking of layering jewelry, I have also ordered 2 ear cuffs. It allows you to stack earrings without the need for additional piercings. These are the 2 designs that I have gone for. I've gone for this really chunky open cuff, and then the more dainty cuff with the little ball endings. So I like to just wear plain and simple huggies, which again Anna Luisa do really, really well. And then you simply pop it on, and I quite like to wear it on the cartilage there. And the second, I'm just gonna pop underneath it. So there you have it. Obviously you could stack them the other way around. Their jewellery is made using really premium, great quality metals, while still being quite affordable with no sort of luxury markups. With prices starting from $39, really affordable, great quality, super impressed with the brand. And without further ado, I am going to jump straight into showing you the Zara Home bits first. So it's quite a big box. There's not that much inside. I only ordered a couple of bits for the homeware. They have their Christmas range now online, so I did get a couple of pieces to share with you in terms of Christmas goodies. The first thing I picked up is this. This is a Christmas edition wrapping paper. It's essentially a roll of white textured paper. I'll try and show you close up. There you go, the edging and everything. See how it's textured like that? It's beautiful. I thought this could work really nice for the luxury gifts that I may have to wrap, and also the things that aren't too big. To go with it, I also picked up this Christmas edition ribbon, essentially is what it is. I think from memory this was about £3, and they did have different colours. They have a lot of traditional colours in the Christmas section on Zara Home. Lots of greens, lots of reds, real traditional, which I absolutely love. And I think next year when we're a bit more settled in this house, I feel like we've got the space to have 2 different themes. I feel like we've got maybe a filming room, white company style theme, and then a downstairs traditional red, gold and green theme. That's what I'm thinking for next year, but we'll see. That against the white paper, beige and white, I thought could look really, really luxe, and I'm so excited to start wrapping for Christmas presents. I need to start buying the Christmas presents first and foremost. Has anyone else started their Christmas shopping yet? I don't know if it's too early. It's never too early, is it? In fact, there is actually something in here which I'm not even going to share on this video that I'm going to include in my Christmas gift guide videos. This could be a little stocking filler gift idea, and one that I have bought from me to me this year. It's a little Zara Home car freshener in the scent Gingerbread. I have bought one of their car fresheners in the past and they are really strong. I can smell it now and it's sealed up with cellophane and everything and I can still smell it. And Gingerbread, 'tis the season, they've got hand soaps, body washes, fragrances and all sorts in the Gingerbread scent, and their other Christmassy scent I believe is salted caramel. And then last but not least, from the homeware, I did pick up 2 of their Christmas baubles. These ones stood out to me most and I quite like the idea of mixing and matching baubles. I don't necessarily go all out with, you know, all of the same bauble throughout the tree. I like to have lots of glass and white. So there's this ribbed one I've mentioned before I'm loving. I actually bought some new ribbed glasses from IKEA that I showed in my IKEA haul. £3 this one was, and it is beautiful glass with a hint of gold and a beautiful grey, very, very light grey ribbon. Then this one actually lights up, which I thought was quite cool. I think it was £4, or £3 or £4, and it's a really heavy ceramic bauble, so it is, like I said, quite weighty. And that completes my Christmassy homeware bits. They did have so much, but it's kind of pricey. That's the only thing with Zara Home, it is actually pricey. The fashion, you can get some really affordable pieces, but the homeware is expensive. Okay, let's move on to this beautiful rail of goodness. I quite like having a rail so that I can show you kind of on the hanger in this section of the video and then do the try on clips. The first item is actually a pair of boots. 'Tis the season. I live in boots this time of year and I needed an upgrade with just a, I'm gonna say flat, but this actually does have a fairly chunky heel. This is obviously that trend at the minute that everyone's loving, the real chunky boots, and these were around last year as well, so I don't think they're going anywhere. They have some pretty extreme ones on Zara that go all the way up above the knee. They have them just below the knee, and then they have like these ankle length ones, which I think are my favorite. I just think they're the most wearable. I'm not too trend led. $49.99, I think that's a really reasonable price for a good pair of chunky boots that are gonna last you all season and into next year as well. I did size up to a UK 7 in these. I have tried them on and I would recommend sizing up because let's face it, when you wear boots at this time of year, you tend to wear, well at least I tend to wear quite thick, cozy socks. This is one of those boots I thought, is it gonna be a bit like out there? Let's get a boy's opinion. I asked what Tom thought. He loves them. So it's a double thumbs up in this household for the chunky black boot trend. Okay, I think I'm gonna start at this end of the rail actually. I'm gonna be sending this one back. Main reason being, when I opened it up, I noticed there was a little mark on the front. And if that's not a sign that this colour for a raincoat is very impractical, then I don't know what is. So let me see if I can see, where is the mark? Oh, it's just here at the front, look. Can you see at the bottom? Now, I actually love the quality of this coat. It's super thick and cozy, and it's made from this extra warmth for extreme weather conditions. I don't know, but I thought it was actually reasonably priced. This is the most expensive thing I've bought in the whole haul, and it's $59.99. I love the massive hood. I feel like this would be great on a nice countryside walk when the leaves are falling. It's maybe a little bit of mist in the air. I might see if they do it in black actually, because that would be a better option. Okay, moving on. Speaking of black items, I did pick up a leather blazer. Now, I actually went for a faux leather blazer this time. I think they do have some real leather blazers for more premium price points. This blazer is actually Zara. I love the kind of chocolate brown. I think it's perfect for the season, but I do love the idea of a leather blazer as well, just to dress up an outfit all the more. I think it looks super chic with an all black outfit as well. So the faux leather blazer is only $49.99. They do have a slightly different style, which I saw in store. This has kind of got a grain effect to it, which actually I do feel is probably a bit more wearable. It looks a little bit more expensive. Single breasted, which is usually my go-to when it comes to blazers. Love layering blazers at this time of the year into winter with hoodies underneath as well. And I kind of use the blazer as an alternative to a coat. Next up, I've got a couple of pairs of leggings. This first pair that I'll show you, I was going to say kind of matches this blazer, but it's not. It's more orangey, isn't it? It's like a rusty burnt orange colour. Again, how autumnal is this colour? I know I keep going on about autumn, but it honestly is my favorite time of the year. I love the fact that I can play around with color a little bit more, because you guys know I love the neutrals, and I feel like this season is full of like earthy tones, the greens, khakis, browns, oranges that I love. So these leggings reminded me of the Skims with the whole trend of kind of it looking like long johns or like underwear as outerwear. They are so thick and so cozy. I do actually have a pair from Miss Pap in white, but they are quite, they're not sheer, but they are quite thin in comparison to these. These are quite thick, and obviously they're a colour as well. So I'm even thinking I could wear these with the chunky boots and a longer jumper sweatshirt type thing and wear these out. So I feel like these would look really nice with cream, like a cream knit. Beautiful. So I got a medium to large in these, and they are part of the new, well, I'm saying new, I've never shopped it before, but the Zara lingerie section, which I have got a couple more pieces of as well, and these are $17.99. This is another pair of leggings I actually have 3 pairs of. I've got black, I've also got khaki, and I've now seen that they've got this really rich chocolatey brown, which perfect for this time of year. I know I keep saying that, but honestly, all these tones are just, I'm literally looking outside into our garden as well, and we have beautiful trees of all different shades, going from like fir green all the way to like a really bright orange. It's beautiful outside. Anyway, love these. They're from the Limitless Contour range, which have these little tabs on, and they are $15.99. these ones are. Again, I got these ones in a medium to large. I think the only other size they do is extra small to small, which is kind of annoying because I typically go for small to medium, but actually medium to large on me, and I'm a UK 10, are perfectly fine. They don't gape really around the waist at all, and I just wear these for comfort more than anything on like an everyday basis. So I had to pick up another pair now that I've seen that they've got out the chocolate brown. I'm loving chocolate brown at the minute. I did actually put a chocolate brown t-shirt in my basket, took it out once I totaled up, well, I took that out along with a load of other stuff as well, because I always go through the shop, add loads of stuff to my basket, get to the end and go, I need to deduct a few things, and I'm really regretting deducting that chocolate brown t-shirt. I'll maybe insert an image on the screen. It's only $9.99, and they had different kind of tones of like khaki, like olivey green as well. I'm really regretting not picking that up. I feel like they'll be a good staple, so I might get my hands on some of them. Anyway, moving on, I got this on one of your guys' recommendations. You very kindly sent me a link to this beautiful knit cardigan. It's the super chunky kind of knit cardigan that I have been after in this beautiful beige colour. I did go for a medium, $29.99, really great price point for such a good quality piece, and it's got a tie waist detail as well if you did want to cinch in. It's slit at the side, it's got pockets, it literally has everything. It's got the big thick turn up. So I have 2 roll neck vests now to show you. I'll show you this one first. This one's the more premium one at $15.99. I got it in a small, and it's not how I imagined it would be. So I love the roll neck, the actual ribbed kind of knit of that, but I didn't realise the actual body of it is kind of like this fuzzy felty kind of material. It's quite soft, well in fact it's super soft on the inside, but there's just something about the fact that it's contrasting fabrics that I don't know about. I'm not 100% sure on that. And then I saw this one at $5.99, and loads of different colours of this one as well. So beautiful camel colour, and I thought I'd test the waters with this cheaper one, with it being only $5.99. I thought I'd go with the white to real test it out. This one is the ribbed kind of thinner knit and roll neck in that same fabric. It's slightly cropped, which I think is quite a nice fit to wear with high-waisted jeans. Let me know which one you prefer. This is an item that I knew I was going to get my hands on. I've seen a few people haul this. It's just such a basic staple, but I love the colour of it. It's like a real washed kind of khaki. So I sized up to a large in this one, and it's only $19.99, and I am living out of these leggings doing up the new house. It's very much been a go-to outfit for me. Comfort is key. Just going to be one that I'm going to live in. I know it's quite long as well, which is great for just wearing with leggings and boots. Okay, moving on. I've got a couple of pairs of leggings. This first pair is a faux leather pair, and I really love the price point of this. It's only $19.99. I got these in a medium. They're called legging high rise, so I am hoping that that actually means high-waisted. I just find the sizing can be a little bit hit and miss with Zara, so I'm hoping that these will fit. I love this kind of taupe greyish kind of colour. Another pair of leggings that I almost got in the camel colour as well, but I decided to just go for the black. Let's face it, black is the most wearable. I wear black leggings all the time. Leather leggings, cotton leggings, and I don't have suede leggings. Oops, nearly dropped it. These are a super, super soft faux kind of suede material that I just feel are going to be so comfy. They've got a hidden zipper on the side, which will be nice and easy to get into, hopefully. Again, I got these in a medium. They've also got a seam down the front, which I love because I think that's a really flattering detail. And these were $25.99, so a little bit more expensive than the faux leather neutral kind of coloured ones. But again, black, I feel like these are going to be super wearable. Okay, we've got a super cozy loungewear set now, and I have the bottoms, the little vest top, and the cardigan to show you. So if we start with the bottoms, I cannot tell you how soft this set is. It is beautiful, super luxurious, and definitely one that you're going to put on in an evening after a nice hot bath or hot shower. You're freshly washed and ready to chill for the evening, but in really nice loungewear. This is that set. $19.99 for the bottoms. I've got them in a medium. They are very high-waisted, which I love, and they do have a drawstring to cinch in the waist as well. The cuffs at the bottom. If I take off the little cardigan and show you the vest, nice length. Again, I got the top in a medium at $9.99, and the cardigan I sized up to a large in this at $17.99, and this is definitely something that I wouldn't just wear as the, you know, with this set. I would definitely wear this tucked into some like straight leg jeans, blue jeans, black jeans. I feel like this oatmeal colour works really, really nicely with black. I also got another ribbed knit lounge set, and this is actually part of the lingerie, new lingerie line that they've got. The bottoms in this are in a medium at $25.99, and they feel the thickest of the rib leggings to date. Super high-waisted. Look, there's the crotch, and there's the waistband, and then they also have this matching crop top that comes with it, and this is in a medium at $12.99. I just love the quality of this so much. I was intending on doing this haul, sending quite a few bits back and being strict with myself. Let's face it, the majority of the time I work from home, I wear a lot of loungewear, leggings, that kind of thing, so I might just have to treat myself and keep a lot. Well, we know I'm sending this jacket back, so that's one thing I'm sending back. One of these kind of padded shoulder tops that are that kind of muscle fit is quite a big trend that I actually really like. I have a couple of tops like this. I think they add that extra kind of like dressier element almost. This one just has this beautiful piping design and detailing at the front, and it almost kind of like silhouettes your figure. It's a beautiful knit fabric. It's in a medium and it's only $17.99, which for the quality, paired with like nice tailored trousers, this could be a really nice work outfit. Quite smart, sophisticated. Last but not least, this is something that I've seen on Instagram. I think it makes a really nice, aesthetically pleasing Insta shot. How practical it is, I don't know, but it's a set that I just had to share with you. It's beautiful. The little top is like so, and it's in this beautiful, again, creamy kind of color. I got this in a medium at $12.99. This is definitely more like underwear though. The bottoms are in a medium at $12.99, and they're like that kind of high-waisted knit as well. It's a really nice knit. I can't go over the quality. A super thick waistband that's really, really supportive as well. With the amount that I like, if I realistically think how often I'm going to wear this, probably not so often, so maybe I'll send this set back. But it is beautiful. It's very much that kind of Skims vibe that's going on with these leggings as well. And again, leggings I definitely will get a lot of wear out of. So I do think the bralette would be cute. It's got like kind of a cupping detail. Again, if you are into wearing little bralette tops like this, high-waisted things and heels for drinks, night out. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you once again to Anna Luisa for very kindly sponsoring today's video. And if you do want to shop it, take advantage of the Black Friday discounts. Stay tuned for lots of Christmassy content to come, gift guides, gift ideas, and obviously lots of homeware updates to come as well. So if you're into that kind of thing, then do stick around and subscribe if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Stay tuned for more, and I hope to see you all very, very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.